Hey yo, what's up? So recently I completed the Near Herba Village Talandre collection, and this video is basically a bunch of clips, it's a collection of a bunch of clips where I basically complete all the books, all these collections here. And so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to put timestamps and I'm going to put time markers in the description below. And so if you're looking for a particular collection, if you're looking for a particular book or anything, then you can simply skip to the part that you want, okay? So there it is. Enjoy. Alright, yo, what's up? So right now I want to make a video showing you how you can get the collection here from Near Herba Village. And the collection here is Breezeline Manager Hilda's letter. And there are two pages. There are two pages. I'm going to show you both of the pages. And so if I look at the map, I already put some pins. So there's the page number 2 here. And then the page number 1 is actually inside here. So we don't actually see it on the map. So it's kind of inside here. And so what you have to do is that from the waypoint here, I'm on the waypoint. You want to get inside the station here, and the first page is actually on this table here. So if I check it here, there it is. That's the first page. So I put a pin right here, and then if you want the second page, you want to take this lift that is on the I think it's the east one, the one on the right, and then you want to go on top because it's on the top. And so it is right here on pin number 2 right here. So there it is. That's page number 2 right here. And you can read those if you want. But that's kind of what it is. Peace. Yo, what's up? So right now I want to make a video showing you how you can get the collection codex. And this is the book here, a complaint from Breezeline Guest. And there's only one page. And so this book here is right here. I have a pin right here. So the only thing that you have to do here is that you have to go to this Herba waypoint and you just teleport there. I'm just gonna show you real quick, I guess. You port to the Herba waypoint, and then you take the left and take this this lift right here, and it's actually on top. It's actually on top right here, and then there it is. It is this one right here, and you can read it if you want, but that's kind of what it is. Peace. Yo, what's up? So right now I want to make a video showing you how you can get the collection codex near Herba Village, and that's gonna be Annie's Enigmatic quizzes. And so there are 2 pages for this collection here. So I already put some pins here that you can see on my map. So the first page is actually over here in the Llama range, and then the second page is like in some sort of church or something in a tower. And so the second page is right here. So I'm just gonna show you right here. So here I'm gonna drop on the left side to get to the first page. This is starting from the waypoint. So there you go. This is the first page right here in this little shack or whatever. Alright, that's the first page right here. And then the second page, I'm gonna go back to the waypoint here. Alright. And then you're gonna drop from the other side, because it's inside this tower right there. It's inside right there on the pin number 2. Right here. So that's page number 2. And you can read them if you want. But for now, that's kind of what it is. Peace. Hey, yo, what's up? So right now I want to do a codex collection here. And it is near Herba Village. I'm going to be doing Herba Village tour guide. And there are 3 pages for this collection here. So let's just see it. So I already put some pins here. So the first one is right there. Then the second one is over here. And then the third one is there, so let's just go. So I'm starting from the waypoint here, and I just go, I think it's north. Yeah. But it's near the farm here, so you kind of have to drop here, near the farm. Alright, so the first one is just behind this shed here. It's right here. There you go. That's the first one. And then if you want the second one, it's like inside this this building here. There's like a book right there. So that's the second page. And then if you want the third page, it's on the balcony over there. Right here. So that's the third page. So with this, you're able to complete the book. So that's kind of what it is. Peace. Hey yo, what's up? So right now I want it to be a codex collection here. And this one is from near Herba village. And I'm doing right now the youngest son of workshop. So there are 3 pages. So I already put pins on these books, on these pages. So the first one is there, the second one is just next to it, and then the third one is a little bit south. So let's just go. So here I'm starting from the waypoint here, so I'm just dropping on the left. And then the first page is kind of on the table right here in the middle section. So the first page is right here. There you go, that's the first page. And then for the second page, there are stairs behind it, behind this place. And so it's kind of on this platform over there. Oh, okay, there we go. There you go, that's the second page. And then for this third page, you kind of have to go south. It's on a balcony. Oh, guess I can't go here. Alright, it's right here. Just next to this door. And then this is the third page. So with this, you should be able to complete the book. And there it is. Peace. Alright, yo, what's up? So right now I wanted to do a codex collection here. And I'm gonna be doing near Herba village, and the book that I'm doing right now is to Clara's Jam Store, and so there's only 1 page, and I already put a pin. It's the yellow pin right there. It's right next to the Resistance Goods merchant and the Nebula Stone merchants. So here I'm dropping from the waypoint. So it's literally next to the Nebula Stone and the Resistance Good. And so right next to it, there's like a desk here, a table with some cans or whatever. So there it is, that's the page. And with this, you should get the completion of the book. There it is. Peace. Alright, yo, what's up? So right now I want to do a codex collection here, and I'm gonna be doing a codex near Herba village, and I'm doing right now Rose, Wagon, and Chair. And so this book here has 2 pages, and let's just go right in. So I already put some pins. So the first one is right there, it's just next to the storage manager. And then the second one is just next to it, and it is next to the contract manager. And so here I'm starting from the waypoint in Herba village. So you drop right and you go next to the bank, the storage manager. Alright, so the first book is just on the right of the storage manager. There's like a small place here. So there you go. That's the first book. And then the second book is just a little bit over here. There's a table here next to the contract managers. And so there it is. That's the second book right here. And so with those two, you should be able to complete the book. There it is. Peace. Alright, yo, what's up? So right now I want to do a Codex collection here, and I'm gonna be doing near Herba village. And the book that I'm doing is Herba Bakery Girl's Secret Diary. So there's only one page. So let's just go right in. So I already put a pin here. It's right there. So it's kind of like a knitted road or something. So here I'm starting from the waypoint. So I'm dropping. It's like on a table with a bunch of pots and baskets. It's close to the resistance goods merchant. It's just in front of it on this table here. God damn, okay. There you go. That's the book right there. And so there's only one page, and so with this you should be able to complete it. There it is. Peace. Hey yo, what's up? So right now I want to do another Codex collection here. I'm gonna be doing near Herba village, and the book right here is Stop the Hammer Operation. And so there's only one page, and let's just go right in. So the page is literally in Herba village next to the crafters, and there it is. And so I already put a pin, so I'm starting from the waypoint, and I'm just dropping to go next to the crafters. And it's kind of on a platform, so it's like right here. So ideally you can just glide and drop here. That's gonna be fine. And I don't know if you can use this hook here. Okay, you can also use this hook if you want, so that's pretty cool. So there you go, that's the page right here. And so since there's only one page, pretty much done with it. Peace. Alright, yo, what's up? So right now I wanted to do another Codex collection here, and I'm gonna be doing near Herba village, and the book here is Discovering Talandre's Delicacies, and this one here has 3 pages. So let's just go right in. I already put pins on the map, and so the first one is on the west docks here. And then the second one is like on the barricade here on the south. And then the third page is on the east docks. So there you go. So let me go and start from here. I'm on the waypoint here. So I'm dropping right to go on the west docks. Alright, so here as you can see it's right there. It's like on the table under this tent. So again, this is on the west dock of Herba village. So there you go, that's the first page right here, the first book. Alright. So now the second book is, you have to go south. It's like near the entrance of Talandre, the south entrance. And it is right here on this barricade, just next to the barrel here. There you go. It's like the south entrance right here. So then the third book is on the east docks, in the east docks. So you can just go here, and it's next to a chariot with some pots. There it is. There's a bunch of barrels, and there's a chariot here. So the book is right here. This is the third page. Okay, so there you go. And so I just finished the book, and so this one here is kind of a special one, because when you finish it, you also get a recipe, Herba Banca. So that's kind of cool here. So I just unlocked it, but that's kind of what it is for now. Peace. Alright, yo, what's up? So right now I'm going to be doing another codex collection. It is near Arbor Village, and it is my last one here. It is Caution Slippery Surface, and so I already put a pin on it. There's only one page, and it is right here. It's in the entrance of Arbor Village. So there it is. So let me drop from the waypoint here and simply go towards the entrance south. And so when you come close to the bridge, just before it, there's like some sort of U-turn here, and so you can see that the paper is right here, and so there it is. Watch your step, risk of falling. And so there's only one page, and so now that was my last one. So I got the title, and that's pretty much it. Hey yo, what's up? So I'm gonna be doing another codex collection here. I'm gonna be doing near Arbor Village, and I'm gonna be doing Ode to Aylmar here. There's only one page, and I already put a pin on it, and so it is like on the bridge here when you first enter Herba Village, and so there we go. So there's like a bridge, so there it is. So here I'm dropping from the waypoint, and I'm simply going south to go to the entrance. Can also take the main road, I guess. And so there you go. It's like on the bridge. There's like a little section here where you can observe. There you go. That's the book right here. Ode to Aylmar. And so there's only one page, and so with this you should be able to complete the book. There you go. Peace. Alright, yo, what's up? So right now I'm gonna be in another codex collection right here. I'm gonna be doing near Arbor Village, and the book here is Talandre Checkpoint Night Duty Rules, and I already put a pin on it. And so if you look here, this is Arbor Village, and so it is very south here, and so it's basically almost in the Pure Light Tower section, and so it is right here with the Talandre checkpoint. And so let's just go. And so here I'm dropping from the waypoint, and I'm going south towards the entrance. And so you have to make your way all the way on the bridge right here in the entrance. And so when you come here, you'll see like there are two statues of deers, and so the book is actually just between them right here, next to the weapon rack. And there it is. That's the book right here. And so since there's only one page, you're pretty much done with it. Peace.